Hey people, this is Randy, and I found the name of the place is Golf Golf View? Golf View Hotel, people. This is my first time, and they're renovating. So look at it. It's Manchester. It's Mandeville, right? It's Manchester. It's my hometown. So when I'm traveling and I get tired, 110 a night, yeah, and the lounges and everything. So you say you guys have been renovating for a year. Did you change here too?
Yeah, we have actually have the entrance to be renovated. So more of having to place new furniture in the lobby. Or to be more comfortable, be more welcoming for others.
I like it.
We have
Modern.
much more ideas we want to implement to have the experience be more interesting and more.
How are the people receiving this?
Oh well, they love the new the new designs of the renovated rooms. It's just that they want they're actually motivating us to have the entire rooms to be in the modern design that we have from the third floor.
What percentage is done so far?
Alright, so out of it will be only the third floor has been completed.
Okay.
Alright, so majority of, well, somewhat, if not two of the rooms located on the second floor has been completed. Type of design, but we also want to have a bit of the antique design for the rooms, because we have the majority, some of our guests want the
Old fashioned.
more old fashioned of the designs, because we haven't. So for the old owners,
You don't mind if I film you?
yeah, it's alright. For the old owners, for James and the James, actually of Mandeville. So it was actually new ownership. The new owners of the hotel is actually Mr. and Mrs. and Mr. Campbell. So it's Campbell and Peter Campbell. So they're the new owners, and
They're from Manchester?
So they're from Kingston.
Okay.
They're from Kingston, and so they have started. Well, this establishment, when they actually had the company to their own, it is from 2018. 2018. So until now, they have a lot of
Work.
They had implemented a lot of ideas to have the experience more exciting for us.
Got it. So Golf View Hotel, why is it called Golf View?
Alright, so it's because of the old owners, the James. The reason why is because we have also a golf court, right? So whereby you can actually play golf, you can play, entertain yourself while staying at the golf hotel.
So you have a golf course here?
We have a golf course here.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
But it's still owned by the James. But for the hotel alone, it's actually owned by the Campbells.
And what's your name?
My name is Richard.
How long you been working here?
I've been working here for a year now.
Okay, and you're local to Jamaica?
Correct. Yes, I was raised and born in Mandeville, but I have experienced different culture, different lifestyle in the world.
Okay, good. And you came back to build Jamaica and...
Yeah, I have actually got more interested in my culture, and I want to see what we have in store, that what we have to really implement, or what we have to bring forth
for the future.
Yeah, to have a better.
So Golf View Hotel, probably in most of the parishes in country, Manchester is country. This is elegance. Family reunion could book in advance.
Right.
A lot of family. So people who want their family reunion in Manchester could have the pool, the whole place here for parties, the bars over there. You got breakfast complimentary upstairs. I didn't know it was complimentary, I spend my money, but I didn't know. She didn't tell me that. She just said breakfast.
Okay.
That's what I'm gonna say.
Okay.
But this settings right here, I love it. To know that I could come in Manchester and stay at Gulf View Hotel. This could be Jamaica Good Life special. May have to get my discount. You have to tell the owners, hey, speak to this guy Randy. Latitude Lounge. This could, because this is my home, brother. This is Manchester. This is, so what when we see, for now, for see what my people am I do, I say yes. Welcome home, Randy. Yes. We can look forward in coming from Mobile. Thank you, my brother. This is beautiful, people. The security is lovely. Gulf View Hotel, renovated. It's right across the street from the Drew Hill and John Building, Jamaica Teachers Association. So you could Google it. Amazing. Love to see Jamaica making progress. This kind of progress is lovely. Yes, they're renovating, so bear with them. And awards fundraiser banquet, February, showtime. Good morning. Cocktails, 6:50 p.m. Music by Step Band. So February 1st, 7 p.m. there's gonna be a banquet here. Ticket of $8,000. February 1st. The great man will be here. It's a banquet, so you have to dress up nice, people. This is Manchester. Lovely. Luciana. That's Colleen Davis. Whoa. Colleen Davis. That's one of my favorite artists. Tickets available at Fontana Pharmacy, Sweet Angels Pharmacy, Villa Pharmacy. Patroned. Wow, music step by step. Andrew. So my brother, so like to rent the banquet hall, average, so where's the banquet hall?
Alright, so we have we have more than one areas that our guests can actually have. For instance, if they want to celebrate a party, a birthday party or a wedding, we have different areas on our compound in which, or a resort in which you can buy the poolside. We have known as the decadence. If you want something more on the more spacious side, we have also the Auditorium. And also we have something which is called the hemisphere. So it's a place just above, is right over the other side. It's actually overlooked in the entire Mandeville, if not some parts of Mandeville.
Really? And that's accessible, I could see that?
Oh yes, you can.
Yeah.
Yes, you can.
A nice little tour. It'll be nice. Wow. Yeah, man. I came at the right time. When the paint is fresh, is it like a 6 months paint job or?
Well, for outside, we had this area with the front of it to be painted. I believe it was actually September, last year September. So it's still freshly painted. The entire entrance of the entire front of the resort. Right. We go upstairs. We have 6 conferences rooms in which you can actually, if you like. You have the weddings, anniversaries, and the birthday celebration. Here will be the perfect area, the perfect spot to have these to be done. You know?
Okay. This is nice. Yes, yes.
These are some of the conferences.
More renovations to come. Wow, look at that sun. Wow. Okay, and there's gonna be more renovation. So this is a big. So family union, no problem.
Family reunion parties, anything you like, we can actually provide.
Nice, nice, nice. People, if you're from Manchester, you know, Manchesterian can't swim, so the pool is not that deep on some parts, right?
Right.
So this is perfect for family reunion. When we were having our family reunion, my brother, we did it at the Rio near St. Anne. We didn't know about this, or you know, so maybe after my family sees this, maybe like they want to reconsider. Maybe because this is home, and then we could take a tour to the mountains where we're from.
Right.
So maybe this is gonna reignite the second family reunion, and people do weddings here and everything too.
Weddings, birthday celebration, even if you have a bit of a party, let's say more of on the exciting side. This is actually a great area, a great place, a great spot for these events to be taking place.
Does it get hot? Are these the company from the big fan? I'm gonna say the last word. There's a company on YouTube that keeps advertising these big fans. How does it get when it gets hot?
Alright, so majority of the times where our celebration or the events will be taking place, there is a chance in which the air might get hot, but we have what is called, we probably provide some form of cooling type of device,
Okay.
instrument that can be used to have the place to be cool.
So people don't complain about the heat, because it's Mandeville.
They don't. This is Mandeville, so they don't really complain about the heat.
Got it.
You know?
This is a perfect place for. So to rent a space, like, give me some numbers. 100 for a wedding. You don't have to give me a lockdown or average. You don't have to get into the math, but people would probably want to say, if they have a family reunion, 50 people, or keep a session for the family.
Okay. So if it's actually of only having the space, we also provide also chairs, we provide tables. So it depends on what you like. If you only want the space alone, that is around about $100,000, if not 150. If you want if you want tables, chairs, and other amenities to have the place, you know, place more. And if you want the place
Decoration,
to be
yeah.
we can also provide as well. So that's a $200,000.
Good. I see. So I could have a free health seminar, because I'm Jamaica Health Box. We ship health products all over the world from Mandeville. Japan, Australia, Sweden. See how nice and trim I am? I used to be a bigger guy. But yeah, man. So now I know where I could, invite people. I'm so happy I stayed here. I love the roof. It's strong. No storm is blowing this off no time soon.
Trust me. And we had one come last year and nothing happened here. Nothing happened here.
This is solid. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
And I'm proud of Manchester. Have a bar, and I'm sure you guys are gonna do more painting and.
Yeah, we have so much more ideas we want to actually into this resort to create more entertaining for us. So we're not only here, hemisphere, we also have the auditorium, which is actually located on the ground floor. So I can show that as well.
I would love
If you
that.
wish to see it.
Yeah, man. We want to promote Mandeville now. People never really seen Mandeville in this light, and it's my hometown. This is where I'm born, so to be able to come back here and not always staying at Mobile, conference room and stuff. Okay. And I know it's tough with resources. When you have a hotel in Jamaica, I know it's tough, So when are you mostly booked out?
Alright, so just like how for Christmas we actually had the entire resort to be booked out. And for instance, the rooms, it's more specifically the rooms, all the rooms has been booked out. We had a lot of events in the auditorium, we had from weddings, we had from birthday celebrations, we had from other wonderful events that actually took place.
Mm-hmm. Thank you. Wow.
So this is actually the auditorium.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So you can have some conferences.
How much is it to rent out the auditorium? You have the lights? Sorry. Wow. And this is also the wedding section.
Right. So we had, in fact, we had a Jamaica, we had a beauty pageant that actually took place last year. And it was terrific. It was amazing.
Mm-hmm.
It was actually the
First one?
right. It was the first one ever to be
In
done
Mandeville.
In fact, more specifically, to be done only only in Mandeville, but also in Gulfy Hotel.
So there's a lot of potential for fashion designers.
A lot. A lot.
Oh wow! Nobody really showcased it. Has this ever been on YouTube? This place?
Well, I'm not too sure.
But we haven't seen it
right.
in this light.
Right.
And you don't have any lights yet, right?
Well,
It's a special. Don't worry. Don't stress
It's
it.
a special area.
Wow. So this is the banquet section.
Well, the auditorium.
Auditorium.
Can be converted into
To a
either
banquet.
dinner, birthday celebration.
So what kind of speakers normally come here? Religious speakers, political speakers?
There's actually a different, so either religious, and also we had really powerful persons that actually came here, people across Jamaica.
Really?
And have their event here.
So I can have a book launch here.
You can, yes, you can. We had from car dealerships. Actually, Nissan came here, and they had, I think they had their opening of the new vehicle that they happen to showcase.
So now for this hall, I could actually, wow, this is nice. I like it.
Thank you.
This is Manchester. People, this is nice. So now for a hall like this, it was 100,000 upstairs. This one is probably like 200,000
Right.
for the day.
Right.
Day starts at 7 to 5.
Okay, so it, well, it depends on, well, it really depends, but I believe the price range, because it's actually a somewhat of a smaller space,
Mm-hmm.
it is actually about, if you say, close to $100,000 to use or to rent. Well, in fact, both the upstairs and also the lower, because we also have upstairs as well, which can be used
For yeah,
along with the downstairs. So it's actually
a double.
connection
Yeah, it's a,
for both, you know.
yeah. Give me your name again, sir.
Richard.
Richard. I'm
So,
Randy. It's a pleasure.
Nice to
So
meet
no,
you.
I know you. Make sure I get your card.
Please.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I love it, Rich. Richard, you're gonna be a fine.
Definitely most welcome.
You're gonna be a fine manager and co-owner later on. Yeah. Your presentation, your calmness. Yes, you're gonna. People gonna call and say, "Can I speak to Richard?"
Thank you.
Yeah, man. You're doing the place a good job.
And these
What-
are the two staircases
To go up there. Yeah, this is a good look for Jamaica, and a good look for. Thank you so much. Good look for my hometown, Manchester. My mother will be proud. You know, maybe one day I'm gonna bring her here. I'm gonna bring my brother. I'm gonna show it to my brother, and he could, cause he could have his movie launch.
Oh yes.
Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. And you hire most of your local Manchesterians, and that is the lounge. So breakfast. What time is it now?
So I believe it is 7:07.
So Richard, I'm gonna go check out the breakfast.
Most welcome.
All right. Nice meeting you. I'll see what's going on with the breakfast.
Please enjoy.
All right. Thanks so much.
Most welcome.
People, we're gonna check out the complimentary breakfast upstairs. The lounge is pretty nice. Loving Manchester now. Gulf View Hotel. See? Welcome to Manchester. This is Randy. I'll be your host for today. We're gonna have some breakfast, and this is where you can have your family reunion. Oh boy, they don't know how much I cost. If you guys want me to promote your place, it's gonna cost you a little bit, but I do this for free for Gulf View because. How you doing, ma'am? Oh, she's hiding. I'm not gonna put the camera in your face.
Good morning.
Morning. So you're gonna serve me breakfast, complimentary breakfast?
Yes, I'm going to serve you.
My name is Randy Pottinger.
I am Chantal.
You're from Manchester?
Yes, I am.
Because I wouldn't want anybody to serve me
No, that is not from Manchester.
that is not from Manchester. You look like a nice country woman. You plant yams?
No, I don't.
Did your father plant yams?
She doesn't.
Who plant yams in the family?
Nobody does.
From where in Manchester?
We're in Manchester.
Where are you
so
from?
Manchester.
So?
Resource Crosskeys side.
Resource Manchester?
You have Resource, you have Crosskeys,
Cross-
you have Resource.
So where you're from?
So, Smithfield.
Smithfield. All right, I'll check that out. Make sure there's no bad people from there. So what are you gonna?
So
I'm Jamaica Good Life from YouTube. Just saw the place, love it, and I love what you're doing. So if I'm getting complimentary breakfast, treat me nice. How would you treat people when they come? Take care of me, coffee and little milk in
So I'll
there.
serve you some steamed veg,
Mm-hmm.
some escafish.
In the morning.
Good
Wow.
morning.
This is part of my stay.
Yes. Some plantain
Plantains. Wow.
and some fried bunny.
Bummy.
Yes. There's
Wow.
also caramel pork.
Caramel plant.
So you
What?
can have yourself with the tea, which is coffee.
Uh-huh.
If you need toast, you can also have yourself with.
All right, so set me up there. So we got hot
So
water.
everything works for you?
This is beautiful. I didn't know Mo was gonna get
So much?
compliment. You know, nowadays nobody treats me this good. Cause this is veggie. This is not your regular breakfast in Jamaica where they say, you know, the chicken with them cook in the morning, and them say.
We do serve chicken and Sundays.
But at least, so now where's the coffee?
The coffee is in the big pot today.
Got it. So people, I haven't done much videos in a while, but coming here and staying here was interesting. It was restful.
First time being here?
Yes, ma'am.
Where
And
you from?
I'm from Jamaica. I was born in Manchester.
Where in
but-
Manchester?
Born in Norway, near, you don't know that. We're in the bushes. That's near Craighead,
Oh,
near
but-
Christiana up there. So, but I didn't know about this place.
Where you come about going?
Hmm?
What do you come about?
Well,
going?
the Mandeville Hotel was closed. So I asked, because I only know the Mandeville Hotel.
Okay. So that means you don't know Trafford's Field then?
No. So then I asked what other hotels was available. And they told me about Gulf View. All right, people, here's the breakfast. Yes, yes. Welcome to welcome
So
to
steamed veg
Manchester.
fish, plantain and fried bunny.
Steamed veg fish.
Plantain and fried bunny.
What kind of fish is it?
Basa.
This is garbage, right?
Yes, you can put
Do you have any milk?
yes, skim milk or also cream milk.
All right, thank you.
What's your room number, please?
209. All right, people. So, what's your name again?
Chantal.
Chantel. Thank you so much for the hospitality, forks and knives on the table. All right. So where you think is the best? Anywhere. Me with a whole table to myself? All right. I'll be right back for the coffee. Thank you. So people, I'm gonna sit here and have this complimentary breakfast. $110 for the night. Well spent. I needed the rest. I needed the rest. Gonna meet Miss Doris today. Alright, so I'm gonna have this. Forks or knives. Until next time, love you guys. This is